Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to short in TradingView paper trading. Shorting, or betting against the market, can be a powerful strategy. It's great for diversifying your trading approach, or even profiting when the market is on a decline. Today, we'll explore this technique using TradingView's paper trading feature. This is perfect for practicing your strategies with simulated money, meaning there's no financial risk involved. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to enable paper trading on TradingView. Start by opening any chart that catches your interest. Once you have the chart in front of you, look towards the bottom of your screen. You'll find the Trading Panel tab there. Click on it to proceed. You'll see various trading options, and we're interested in the one labeled Paper Trading. This feature lets us use simulated money to make trades. Go ahead and click Connect to activate paper trading. Now that we have paper trading enabled, it's time to get into the fun part, opening the order panel. This is where all the magic happens. Look to the right-hand side of your chart. You should spot two buttons labeled Buy and Sell, or you might see a plus symbol on the chart. Click on these to bring up the order panel. This is where you'll place your trades, and today our focus is on short selling. In the order panel, you'll notice tabs for both buying and selling. Since we're focusing on shorting, click on the Sell tab. Here, you'll need to set a few parameters for your trade. Start with the quantity, which is basically the number of shares or contracts you'd like to short. Next, select your order type. You've got several options like market, limit, stop, and others, each affecting how and when your trade is executed. Once you've set everything to your liking, it's time to click Sell. This action will execute your short trade, simulating the process of betting that the asset's price will go down. For those who are new to shorting, keep in mind that a short position will show up as a negative quantity in your Positions tab. This reflects that you've essentially borrowed and sold shares. After you've placed your short trade, it's essential to keep an eye on its progress. To do this, head over to the Positions panel at the bottom of your screen. Here, you can monitor your open positions. When you're ready to close your short position, or if the market conditions change, simply click Close. This will buy back or cover your short trade, effectively exiting your position and completing the cycle. By following these steps, you've now successfully placed, monitored, and closed a short trade using TradingView's paper trading platform. Remember, the more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with these strategies. This guide helped you easily master how to short in TradingView paper trading. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.